Hello, welcome to my channel Dubai My Way, interesting places in Dubai. And today very interesting episode about the beautiful traditional hotel in the middle of the desert. This traditional resort is approximately 30-40 minute drive from downtown Dubai. Taste the old Arabia at Bab Al Shams desert resort and spa, which takes its name from Arabic, which means gate to the sun. Bab Al Shams is situated in the middle of the dunes in the heart of the desert. It is the perfect place for a weekend break away from the bustling city life. This is a luxury hotel that is currently under renovation, so you have the opportunity to see what it looked like until recently. The resort offers 115 rooms and suites decorated in the traditional Persian Gulf style. For those looking for a unique desert experience within walking distance of Dubai, Bab Al Shams is the perfect destination. There are several restaurants on the premises of the hotel. We arrived on Friday, which is a special day in Dubai. The hotels offer brunches. Brunch is the time between breakfast and lunch. That's why brunch is like merged together brunch and lunch, brunches. So it's a meal you eat actually between breakfast and the lunch. The choice and variety of food and dishes was amazing. You can feel really royal in this place. The hotel is housed in charming clusters of 16 two-story buildings and offers a choice of luxury suites, smaller or larger in size, with one bedroom, deluxe rooms, many with a balcony or terrace. Hotel guests can relax by the infinity pool, admire the views, or go on a camel ride. There are safari tours, walks in the desert, concert and live dancing in the evening. In this place, you will not be bored. In the hotel room, there was a notice not to leave windows and balcony door open, and we wondered why. We got the answer next day when we went for a walk at sunrise. It turned out that around our hotel, which is fenced like a fortress, many animals, both small and large, passed by. See for yourself. It's located in the Arabian desert and is the second largest desert in the world in North Africa after the Sahara Desert. The desert covers 2,300,000 square kilometers and is a home to many animals such as the Arabian oryx or sand gazelles.